Now let's look at this question where the directions say in each question there are 3 to 5 sentences and each sentence has pair of words or phrases that are highlighted. From the highlighted words or phrases, select the most appropriate words or phrases to form correct sentences. Then from the options given, choose the right sequence. So now let's look at the question. So here in this question, the trick to do it is identify the sentences where the pair of words or phrases is easiest to identify. That would help us in the elimination of the options. So let's examine the sentences. Sentence number 2 is easy to examine. Ramu is a voracious or a loquacious reader. So we know that a reader has to be voracious because it means an avid reader. Loquacious can be a person who is talkative. So here B is negated. Another sentence that we can examine is the last sentence where it talks about Shekhar Kapoor has been approached or broached for writing the foreword or the foreword for the book. So Shekhar Kapoor has been approached. Broached can be eliminated easily because broach means to coax someone. Writing the foreword or the foreword for the book. So we obviously know that the foreword is what counts in the book and not forward, which means something to do with distance. Now when we have examined these, can we look at the options? If I look at option A, it has B in between in the second form, so it can be easily eliminated. If I look at option 2, it talks about A in the second sentence, it talks about A in the fourth and the fifth one also. If I look at 3, it cannot be eliminated as of now. If I look at 4, it also cannot be eliminated. If I look at 5th, it can be eliminated because it has a B in the 4th position. So we have eliminated 2 options. Now we are left with 3 options. Now let's again examine another sentence which would be easier to examine. Discrete and discrete might look a little difficult because if you do not know the exact meanings of both the words, it would be difficult for you to decipher which word would fit into the sentence over here. So let's catch hold of this sentence. Now in this sentence, my neighbor is such a fearsome or a fearful man. Now if I look at fearful, fearful means a person who is afraid, and fearsome is a man who can give fear to the other people. So here fearsome would fit. So now can I eliminate any other option? Yes, I can eliminate option number 4. Now I am left with 2 options and I'll have to go to the toughest set of words, that is discrete and discrete. The machine is made up of discrete or discrete parts. Now if it rings a bell somewhere in your mind, discrete actually means prudent. This word means prudent. So it can be eliminated, and discrete means separate. So now what happens in all the sentences, we are left with A, right? So we automatically come to the third option, which actually is the right option.